Hey everybody, it's Julianne from Cary Quilting Company in Cary, North Carolina, and today is Thursday, November 12th. Today we have lots of new backings for you. We've been working hard to refill our backing shelves because you guys have been hard at home making quilt tops. So today we have, it looks like about 9 new backings. These first 3 are by Figo Fabrics, and they're from the Elements line, Elements or Elemental Elements. These are fabrics that we've had in 45 or 42 inch width, and now they are also offering them in the 108 wide backings. So if you want to pull in a little, you can see the detail on that. That would be just a gorgeous backing all by itself. And then we also have that in the taupe shade and then the kind of tealy blue shade. Let me flip out the blue one because it's got a lot of color change in it. Backings are heavy, you guys, so if I start grunting and breathing, you'll know why. So there's the blue in the Figo Elements 108 backings. We also have a new collection over here by Studio E called Spin Art. These are also 108 inches, and this reminds me of that paint spinning toy that you could get lots and lots of years ago and put in different colors and then spin it, and it gave you spin art. So now we have spin art on fabric, and you can see the fun color combinations that Studio E has come up with. So these could also be very interesting and exciting backs for your quilts. I know in traditional times, backings were mostly just unbleached muslin, and so that wasn't nearly as much fun as what you can get now. Again, all of our backings are at least 108 inches wide, which gives you 3 yards in one direction by however much you buy the other way. And the idea there is that you don't have to put a seam in your quilt back. That would be nice for some Americana or patriotic quilts. And then this one is kind of like a tropical summer look to it. And I think I've mentioned this before, but sometimes people start with a quilt backing and then use that backing fabric as your borders on the front of your quilt. That way you don't have pieced borders either. And you are ensured that your backing matches your quilt top perfectly if you start with backing. So just something to think about next time you're in the store or online. Consider starting with backing and checking out all the beautiful new backs that we have here for you today. Tomorrow we have Fat Quarter Friday. We have some really fun new Fat Quarter bundles and some other exciting things to share with you. We will see you tomorrow. Have a good afternoon.